turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Push on the coloured part of the breather hose to remove it. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clip for the air inlet conduit on the airbox. Using a socket wrench, a small extender and a Phillips head socket, remove the 6 screws on the air filter flange. Then pull out the flange. You can now remove the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. This will allow you to put the flange back on more easily. Insert the flange and position it correctly in its holder, pushing it onto the air inlet conduit. Screw the 6 flange screws back on. Clip the breather conduit back on and finish by tightening the holding clip on the air inlet conduit. Operation completed.